Hi, good morning. Today, we are going to discuss absorption costing versus variable costing. So what are their differences? When we say absorption costing, it is sometimes called as full costing. It is a managerial method for capturing all costs associated with manufacturing a particular product. The direct and indirect costs such as direct materials, direct labor, rent, and insurance are accounted for try and using this method. Absorption costing is required by generally accepted accounting principle for external reporting. Variable cost is a corporate expense that changes in proportion to know how much a company produces or sells. Variable costs increase or decrease depending on a company's production or sales volume. They rise as production increases and fall as production decreases. Under cost of goods sold, in absorption, you need to add the direct materials, direct labor, variable factory overhead, and the fixed factory overhead. While in variable costing, cost of goods sold here is part of direct material, direct labor, and variable factory overhead. Under absorption costing on operating expenses, variable selling and admin expenses and fixed selling and admin expenses are added to each other to form the operating expenses. In variable costing, we have the fixed factory overhead, we have the variable selling and admin expense, and we have the fixed selling and admin expenses. So here's the sample of the statement of operation or the income statement of absorption costing. And the part of cost of goods sold are direct materials, direct labor, variable factory overhead, and fixed factory overhead. Then, part of operating expenses are variable selling and admin expense and fixed selling and admin expense. In variable costing, part of cost of goods sold are direct materials, direct labor, and variable factory overhead, while the operating expenses are fixed factory overhead, variable selling and admin expense, and fixed selling and admin expense. Again, this is Thinktank like this. Thank you and bye-bye.